Instagram Music isn't available in your region. What a tragedy! What are you supposed to do? This message on Instagram means at least two things. But first, roll the intro. Let's start this video with the shoutout rules. If you want to be shouted out in one of the next episodes, make sure you comment down below something that you've learned from this video or something that you've hated about this video for a chance to be featured. And if you want to know if you are in fact the shoutout winner on this episode, make sure you stick until the end. And give this video a like, this really helps me out. So the message, Instagram Music isn't available in your region, means at least two things. You cannot create Instagram stories with music in them from Instagram Music, and you cannot view Instagram stories with music. What's the issue? It's basically your country, but there's a fix. It takes only 5 seconds. And if you're interested in tips like this on how to grow on Instagram, how to grow your business, social media tips in general, make sure you also click the subscribe button because you do not want to miss out on any future uploads. And the bell notification, of course. Normally I would grab coffee or have some awesome B-roll thanks to Richard.
Hi.
Okay.
But now I just have some tea. So first of all, what's the issue with your country? Well, if the virus situation is handled, that's not too bad. But the only issue with your country right now is that you are not in US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Sweden, France or Germany. What do these countries have in common? A weird president? No.
Obama.
It's actually that they allow you to have Instagram Music. So how can you fix that? Well, let me show you. So I'm on my Instagram account right here, refreshing it. No new followers, huh?
No.
And you can go about your normal life to just create a story. When you just go ahead and start creating a story like this, I just take the photo, and then when I click the stickers, I should have a music option here. But as you can see, I don't have a music option here. So what can you do to fix that? There's a super simple fix. It's free. Again, you don't have to enter your password, stuff like that. You go on the App Store and you just type in VPN. And you can download the first one, VPN Unlimited Private or whatever. It's a free one. I already downloaded it, so clicking open, and I'm using the US region, clicking connect. There's an ad, of course, closing that. And now when I switch back to Instagram, normally you should have it. If you don't, you should go to settings, security, login activity. You can log out from your current location while the VPN is connected. Go to Instagram, add the account. When you go back in, choose the story, go to stickers. And now when you go back to your Instagram, go on stories, you should be able to do that. If Instagram Music doesn't appear on your screen instantly, the only fix is to uninstall Instagram and install it again, or install Instagram Plus if you're on an Android device. That's pretty much it. Who is the shoutout winner for this episode? It's actually Sachin Sharma, who says, such a great job you're doing, but why choose only Instagram, why not others? It's about Instagram stalkers, a video that you can check in the cards above. I'm a bald guy now, and he says bald guys are multi-billionaires. And then how's the situation with the virus in your place? I want to know the situation in your place as well, so comment down below. We have a lockdown here, city lockdown. We can go outside yet. I don't know, when you're seeing this video maybe we can even go outside, but it's pretty bad. Our prime minister said the curfew amid the coronavirus pandemic would take place on Sunday. Don't know when the whole world gets moving. I don't expect anything from the government. They don't really help us that much. So yeah, remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. See you in the next one. By the way, full disclaimer here, this is no financial advice, this is no medical advice, don't sue me bro. And by the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out, this or this one.